Welcome to the channel. My name is Gio, and this is how I plan to make $1 million with affiliate marketing. And I bet it's unlike anything you've ever really been taught before, so I suggest you stick around to the end to hear the whole strategy. Let's get into it. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, basically it's when you promote other people's products or services, and in return, when you generate a sale, you earn a commission from that sale. Some companies give 10, 20, 30, up to even 90% of that commission. There's such thing as one-time sales, and there's such thing as recurring commissions. This is when you get paid every month after making just that one sale. Now, I can't promise you that this strategy will make you a complete millionaire overnight, but I can promise you that this is the most efficient and easiest way to make money online, really. I've come across a lot of bogus strategies that simply just don't make sense. And I promise you this is going to be the easiest way. And if you're looking for a way to apply this strategy, stick around to the end because I got a sweet bonus for you. Alright, so the first step to this strategy is going to be promoting GetResponse. Now, GetResponse is an auto-responding software that pays out 33% every month or $100 every sale. Now, the second part to this strategy will be promoting ClickFunnels. Now, ClickFunnels is a very well-known software that allows you to build landing pages, webinars, and much more, really. They pay out 40% of each sale or $100 each sale. The most extreme package, you'll be earning $480 every month. That's just for one person. And the cool thing about ClickFunnels is because of a global cookie they put on each one of your leads, every time they come back to ClickFunnels and buy one of their other products, such as their books, classes, courses, things like that, you will earn a commission. That's actually one of the biggest secrets about this strategy. I'll only be partnering with companies rather than just being a simple affiliate. This way, one sale turns into multiple commissions over time. Now, this is way better than affiliate programs like ClickBank, Best Buy, Walmart, things like that, because with those leads, you make that one sale, and yeah, maybe you collect their email and follow up with them with other offers. But I want to make money without having to do anything. Some companies will allow, like ClickFunnels, they'll allow you to make money whenever your leads come back and buy something else without you having to do a single thing. And I don't know about you, but that sounds pretty nice to me. The third thing I'll be doing is promoting GoDaddy. GoDaddy is a site where you can buy and sell domains for your landing pages and websites. Now, they only pay out 10% of each sale, but it's over the lifetime of that domain, and people usually keep their domains for pretty long. I know it's a small commission, but it'll make sense in the end, so make sure to stick around. The last thing I'll be doing is promoting Udemy. Now, Udemy is a site where you can buy and sell traffic that's generated through email marketing. You buy a certain amount of clicks, and somebody sends out a promotional email to their list. They open the email, click on the link, and subscribe to your email list. They pay out 30% of each sale, but the thing is, you partner with them. Every time they come back and buy more traffic, you earn that commission without having to do a single thing. Now, those are the steps on how I plan to make $1 million with affiliate marketing. But the thing I want you to take away from this is I definitely didn't choose these products at random, and I definitely didn't choose them based on who gives the biggest commission. I chose them because they all work together. They build off of each other. This is called offer stacking. Check this out. Anybody building an email list needs an autoresponder. Boom. Anybody building a list also needs a landing page to capture those leads. Well, here's a 14-day trial to ClickFunnels. Anybody with the landing page needs a domain, right? Boom. I think you'd agree with me when I say that none of these tools have any worth without traffic, right? Well, good thing I have a link to some easy quality traffic you can use whenever you want. Go ahead and sign up. You don't have to buy anything right now, but when you realize that Facebook ads are too hard or maybe they banned your account, you'll come back and you're going to buy, and I'll still make the 30%. Do you see what I'm saying? Offer stacking is the secret to affiliate marketing that people higher in the ranks are just not teaching you. The secret isn't to find that untapped traffic source or to find that winning product on ClickBank that's going to make you a millionaire. It's to find multiple offers that work together, making them crucial, almost mandatory to have, and to offer recurring commissions so that over time your monthly recurring income is at the point where you don't have to worry about your next paycheck. And guess what? You'll still be making random commissions without doing a single thing when your buyers come back and buy more because you partnered with the right companies. Now, is this a slow and steady approach? Yes. Is this going to make you a millionaire overnight? No. But it is a smart and reliable method that will work for years and years to come, creating an income that just grows and grows over time. I hope this video has changed your perspective on how you approach affiliate marketing and changed the mindset on the products that you choose to promote. Now, if you want to take part in this strategy and actually just copy and paste exactly what I'm doing, I have a sweet opportunity for you. I stress the importance of partnering with the right companies, and I stay true to that. It's the key to success. It makes everything much easier, and it's exactly what this opportunity is about. My partner, 8-figure entrepreneur, Anthony Morrison, has been doing this for years and years, has made millions of dollars doing this exact thing, and he's allowing you to partner with him as well. Essentially, what you get is him promoting and selling these products for you the right way, while you just simply generate traffic and collect commissions. And he teaches people how to use these tools the right way so that they actually keep the tools, so that you continue to earn those commissions. Because once people end their subscriptions, your commissions are done. So he does it in the right way so that people actually continue to use these tools and grow their business. This is a very rare and highly valuable opportunity that I suggest you take action on right now, because I don't know how long it'll be around. So if you'd like, there's a link in the description that you could use to check it out. With all that said, I want to thank you for watching this video on how I plan to make $1 million with affiliate marketing. Go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.